Hey everyone, it's Wade Color and today we're making the most delicious chicken noodle soup. It is a classic, super easy and pure comforting homemade chicken noodle soup that will warm you up on a winter's evening. If you are new to this channel and you want to be inspired by new recipes and master your cooking skills, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss anything. And now let's get started. Let's begin by prepping the veggies. Peel and thinly slice 2 medium carrots and set them aside. Now finally chop 1 medium onion. Also slice 2 stalks of celery. Now let's get to the stove. Place a large pot over medium heat and add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add all the veggies that we just prepared and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring frequently until the vegetables begin to soften. Pour in 10 cups of homemade chicken broth or chicken stock, partially cover the pot and bring to a boil. Once it came to a boil, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 200 grams of rotini or sparrow pasta and cook for about 10 minutes at a low boil. Feel free to use any pasta you like or just the one that you have in stock. Now add 4 pressed garlic cloves, a quarter bunch of fresh dill and 500 grams of cooked and shredded chicken thighs. Season with freshly ground black pepper and add more salt if needed. Stir to submerge and cook for another minute until the chicken is warmed through. Our super hearty chicken noodle soup is ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe and share it with your family and friends. See you soon in the next video.